राहुल क्या हुआ?
क्या बोले क्या हुआ? फ्लावर ऑन लिया, यही हुआ.
तो you should be happy.
Actually, one incident happened, which I will tell you as well as the viewers. मैंने एक फ्लावर ऑन लिया था कुछ महीने पहले एंड दैट वाज फ्रॉम थाईलैंड. ठीक है, थाईलैंड से. एंड जो सेलर हमको दिया था वो थाईलैंड से ही लाया था. वो फ्लावर ऑन एज यू कैन सी इन द स्क्रीन ऐसा था. बट राइट नाउ द फ्लावर ऑन इज लाइक दिस.
Oh no.
So,
Okay.
So you are feeling what's going inside.
Yeah.
Please tell me why is मैंने ऐसा क्यों हुआ? And I know like lot of you viewers ये problem शायद हुआ है. And इसके लिए you guys go crazy कि ऐसे क्यों हुआ है. And that time like जैसे मेरे को feel हुआ कि मतलब I thought कि might be it's the food, might be it's the water.
Right.
But what's the problem? I can see माथे में कॉक भी सही है, the fish is running, but the color गायब हो गया. सेलर को बोलूँ तो सेलर ये बोलता है कि मतलब you deworm the fish. मतलब that is the basic line which I am saying, deworm the fish. ठीक है, नहीं तो ये खाना दो वो खाना दो. But what's the problem? I am not able to understand. हाय हेलो नमस्कार नमस्ते सलाम वालेकुम सत टू एवरीवन. वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल गाइस. पहले पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो हाँ थोड़ा सा एक्टिंग था, बट बिलीव मी दैट वाज जेन्युइन एक्टिंग, क्योंकि ऐसा ये हुआ है कुछ दिन पहले. एंड आई शेयर दिस प्रॉब्लम विद शोनोक द. वी हैव शोनोक द टुडे विद अस. ही विल बी एड्रेसिंग कि ऐसा क्यों होता है. एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम आई थिंक विद होता है कभी कभी लोगों के फ्लावर ऑन के साथ ऐसा होता है. एंड आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट इनफ कि मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है जो मैंने
I am also fortunate.
क्योंकि फॉर दैट फ्लावर ऑन I had paid quite a chunk of money for that particular flower horn. I won't go into details.
And for being a newcomer in flower on.
Yes, for a newcomer in flower on, though this was मतलब इसके पहले इसको लिया था, but उसके बाद में उसको लिया. But still उसका जो result आया like that shocked me out, that shocked you as well.
Yes.
हाँ, जब से आया था तब खाना वाना भी नहीं खा रहा था ऐसे नो. But why ऐसा मतलब क्यों हुआ? Please educate the viewers for today.
The main thing ऐसा होने का कारण कि this is genetics. So your fish has become
Just
a
tell
feeder.
viewers first कि वो कौन सा fish variety of fish था.
Okay, this is an SRD like Super Red Dragon, which
Correct.
falls into the ZZ category or the ZZ category, Zenzu. Still, like what he has experienced, like his fish has turned into a feeder. So feeder क्या है? So as you know that flower on is a hybrid fish, right?
Correct.
So it's a cross of two different type of fishes, though it's cichlid family, but two different type of cichlid.
Correct.
So it's not a natural, it's a man-made fish or an artificial fish. Old school SRDs is not available anymore. अभी जो है, this is a cross between KML and SRDs.
Okay.
For a few generations. That's why you can see like एक variety के एक speciality है. Like Super Red Dragon was known for its color, super red color. KML was mainly known for its pearls.
Correct.
That's why we kept KML or it was developed. तो अभी तो इस fish का color भी है, pearls भी है. तो it's a mix of KML and SRDs for a few generations. तो ये इतना cross होने के कारण तो and it sometimes it's line bred or inbred also to bring out the hidden or to bring out some certain special features of that particular bloodline. तो ये inbreeding और line breeding अगर तुम regularly करते हो तो there are certain deformities that comes. So ये feeder
is one of the
genetic deformities. So और एक deformity होता है जो होता है कि the fish does not grow after a like maybe you are keeping that fish for a very long time but it is not growing properly. might be 2 इंच के बाद the fish has not developed. मैंने भी एक experience किया था. So that is all faulty gene, that is all result of this inbreeding and line breeding. तो इसकी वजह से this is a feeder fish. So this is one of the side effects of line breeding and inbreeding for a multiple generation.
Okay. बट ये अचानक से मतलब जब सेलर के पास था तब तो ऐसा हुआ नहीं. एंड आई गॉट दैट फिश अराउंड तब 5.5 इंच 6 इंच का था, no sorry no it's not 5.5 इंच,
3.5 inch I guess.
it was it 3.5 हाँ 3 sorry I'm so sorry, वो 3.5 इंच के आसपास था वो मछली, and it has a good cock, it had good body pearls, कलर भी था, बट जब से आया था till it was there, it came from Thailand to चेन्नई, चेन्नई से फिर उसके बाद it was transported to me, ठीक है, जब तक चेन्नई तक भी था it was good, and Thailand में तो it was brilliant,
Yeah.
ठीक है, then चेन्नई में भी it's fine, then after it came to कोलकाता it was fine but it was degrading, फिर एकदम डिग्रेड हो गया था, then we treated it, फिर इसको वापस वो आया अपना फॉर्म पे, but after that वो धीरे, मतलब why इनिशियली क्यों नहीं ये दिखा गया, मतलब
Initially क्योंकि like it takes time in some fishes कि क्योंकि like in कुछ फ्राइज में you will experience कि वो छोटा साइज में ही फेड करेगा and कर जाता है,
okay,
and some fishes take some time, so this is I will say this is your bad luck that it has like you paid a lot of money for this fish, you invested time and effort and did proper
Yeah,
grooming, but after that it it started fading and now it's a total fader, we can say this is a fader fish because it had that fader gene in it. So कुछ fishes का gene, ये जो gene उसके अंदर रहता है, it gets activated at a small size and in some it gets activated.
Basically हम लोग ये बोल सकते हैं कि ये gene is the main fault, that is which I'm saying. But there
gene
is
and ये gene का fault तभी आता है when you cross breed and inbreed or line breed for multiple generations.
but ऐसा मतलब is it any way that we can find out कि मतलब ऐसा हो
no, there is like unfortunately there ऐसा तो कुछ like there is no way कि पहले से you will get an understanding कि this fish will fade or not. हो सकता है कि कुछ fishes में जैसे मैंने कहा कि in some fishes the gene gets activated in small size, तो maybe हो सकता है कि कुछ small size में might be it shows some characteristics, but that may also be because the fish is stressed.
correct.
So basically I would say कि just do your research and do your research on the bloodline, on the
So
fish's
bloodline के ऊपर basically research.
Yeah, कुछ bloodline में feeder gene होता है, तो it's better to avoid those bloodlines.
Is this feeder gene more evident in ऐसा ZZ category fishes or like काम्फा में भी ये चीज होता है?
Kampha, it can happen.
Basically
But,
it's about the bloodline.
It's in the bloodline, but generally as it is a livestock or as it is a living being, so but in काम्फा में ये चीज होना is very limited because काम्फा still has that wild gene. If you go 2-3 generations back, you will find that the original founding stock was a wild caught fish. So it only becomes evident ये आता है after multiple generations of breeding, after multiple generations of crossbreed. This is all because of the hybridization, nothing else. Because all these problems are
So any solution to that? There is no solution.
there is no solution.
Accept
Unfortunately, there is no solution just to accept it because it cannot be changed back to the original.
Okay.
Because
so
it's genetic. It's a genetic problem.
it's a genetic problem. So this was one of the incidents which had happened to me very recently, and I went crazy about it.
Yeah.
I went very crazy about it, and बहुत लोग के लिए ये बहुत बड़ा शॉक भी हो सकता है. Like if you see, it was a shock for me obviously. कि
For
मतलब
me
जब-
also, like
yeah,
I also did not expect because it had no visual characteristic of a feeder.
because we expected a lot from that fish.
Exactly.
We were, he had an eye on that fish when from the
Yeah,
time
from Thailand.
from Thailand itself. He suggested me. I was looking for a कि अच्छा quality का flower ले, तो मतलब you know like all this.
Yeah, और उस bloodline में
तो-
ये this is the first instance that I have come forward कि उस bloodline में भी feeder gene appear किया है.
हाँ, but
I did not knew जे
but basically we were having an eye on that flower for a long time. But when this happened, this was a big bummer for us. Like
yeah,
अरे
it
बाप रे
was
बाप.
showing its potential, but all
It
of a
was
sudden,
showing,
all of a
but we
sudden,
expected a lot from this fish.
Yes,
Seeing ऐसा हो जाना
it's
was
a
a big
competition grade fish that was selected
for
for
competitive.
competition only. And also I would like to add one more point कि for some instances the seller is at fault, but for some other instances the seller might not be at fault. He may not know that कि इस जीन में फेडर है कि या फिर ये फिश
Very important
फेड करेगा.
Yeah.
But if he knowingly cheats you, then that is a severe offense. If he knowingly does not disclose the fact, then that is a severe offense. But he may not know.
Got it.
But so for that, it's very important that you do your research and select a proper, genuine seller.
Got it. Anyways, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this episode. If you have enjoyed and learned from this episode, then do not forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and write it down in the comment section down below कि Floweron के बारे में और क्या जानना है, and did this incident ever happen to you or anyone you know? Guys, take care. Bye bye. See you. Meet you in my next episode. Bye bye.